guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below because when we hit 500 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway. It's going to be a $40 palette, and the blow dryer I got in my last BoxyCharm, or in my Luxy BoxyCharm. And leave a comment down below letting me know how I did on this look. Thank you to Rebecca Martin, Trendy Trisha, Bella Adams, and Jennifer Metcalf, and Paige Pagino. I'm so sorry if I say your name wrong. I haven't been able to say it since I met you. Thank you guys for commenting on my last video. Paige, Trendy, Bella, and Jennifer all have their own YouTube channels, and you should go check them out. They're mostly makeup related, but Trendy has some like question and answers. Jennifer has some DIYs and parenting, and Paige has like some home tours and makeup. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We're going to start off priming our lids with concealer. When you're priming your lids, the lighter you go, the better, honestly. If you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know that, you know, the white, as white as this is, it really doesn't affect the way it looks against my skin once the shadow is over it. All it does is help to have more pigment on the shadows, like they'll just show up more. I mean, of course, if you're drawing on a white paper, then the colors will show up better. So we're going to go into the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star. And we're going to start off with this shade right here called Delicious. We're going to really pack this color on and blend it out because we want a super pigmented, like indigo blue color. We're going to kind of match my shirt today, basically. So we're just going to make sure it's just super dark, at least in the crease. It may take a second to build up, but that's okay. It's super pretty, and that's all we care about. Just getting it super pigmented and beautiful. If your lids are wrinkly like mine, you might have to finesse it a little bit. Okay. We are going to go into a little bit of sour. Just blend it into that blue shade. Okay. On the very outer edge here, we're going to take a little bit of Cute, just a little bit to lighten up that green, that sour color we just put down. And we'll go back in with a little bit of sour in a second, but we want to really make sure we get that and these colors are super soft, so just the slightest hand will get you the pickup that you want. Don't be too rough. I'm going to go back into sour. These synthetic brushes have like a little bit of a harder bristle, so they're picking up quite a bit. Just remember that when you're going back into Delicious, making sure I still have that blue. And it is building up super nicely, so I'm going to go back into Sour and make sure those edges are good. Okay, now we're going to cut the crease. And like I said before, the lighter you go with that concealer, the better. So we're going to take the lighter concealer like I did before on the lid. And a lot of people that see me in person say that they, watch several different YouTubers, and I always do mine different. My makeup tutorials different than everybody else because a lot of the people they watch do their face makeup first. So again, I just want to reiterate that you can do makeup however you want. If it's easier for you to do your face makeup first, then do your face makeup first. I actually used to do my face makeup first, and I stopped when I started doing YouTube because testing out new eyeshadows, you never know if there's going to be fallout. Trying new looks, you don't know, you're going to go in with a heavier hand and you don't know if there's going to be a mess up. It's just a lot easier to do it's a lot easier for me to do my eye makeup first. That way, if I do mess up, I don't have to start from scratch. But like I said, if you're more comfortable doing your eye makeup first, or if you're more comfortable doing your face makeup first, go ahead and do that. It's all up to you. Okay, since we're going in with a new shade, I'm going to go in with this Lemon Drop right there. Super pretty, super gorgeous. Yeah. Matching my shirt. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I ain't mad at a Precious Dad. It's the best day I ever had. Sorry, I shouldn't be singing that, but I was gonna say I ain't mad, and it like popped in my head, and then I started singing it. So, excuse me. On a good shimmer, you shouldn't have to wet your brush, which, as you saw before, I didn't have to wet my brush to get this pigment to show up, but it just brings it up just that itty bitty bit that, like, why not? We're gonna take a little bit of Delicious, blend it into that yellow just a little bit. You don't have to go so matchy-matchy with your outfit and your makeup, but I knew I had these colors in this palette and I wanted to see. Okay, I'm going to go back over just a little bit with Lemon Drop. How fitting, since my shirt is literally got lemons on it. But yeah, okay. Should I do a wing? Nah. You know what? I think it speaks enough for itself. We're not going to do a wing, but I am going to do my other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Okay. So I also put lashes on. You gotta give them a minute to dry completely. But while we're doing that, I think I'm going to take this little pencil brush going to take Delicious on my lower lash line, like that. Did you even see that? I'm taking Delicious on my lower lash line like this. This little pencil brush. I like looked up, I was like, I am not even in frame, like at all. I'm going to take a little bit of Sour and blend it out. And then I'm going to go into just a little bit of Cute. Like that. Oh. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit more Sour. Just I feel like I should put yellow liner or yellow in my waterline, so I think I'm going to. I'll just take a little bit of Wow. Yeah, that's super drying, but you know, I don't know if you saw that, but I took Wow in my waterline, like that. I'll put a little bit of liner on the top. I don't know what they call it. I think it's like the top waterline or whatever you want to call it. Probably not the word for it, but that's all I can think of. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on. I wish I had a yellow mascara, that'd be super cute. But I don't, so we're just gonna go with black. Now I'm going to put on a lip. My lips are a little uneven, but it's okay. We're gonna go in with some Jawbreaker. This color right here. If you guys have never used a Jeffree Star highlighter, they are next level, like gorgeous. So if you ever get the chance, they're definitely worth the price, I would say. I mean, that's all going to be up to you once you see the price, but I definitely think they're worth it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.